It's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with another unit. You guys, I'm really excited because this is a frontal unit which answers a lot of questions that people have about which wigs can you wear up in a ponytail. I want to do an updo. I need a wig that is affordable, that will still allow me to do those styles. So I wanted to bring you this because their prices are great. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into it. This is from Cexxy Hair. Cexxy. And this again is their straight frontal wig. I got 20 inches. So this is 20 inches of hair. I often get questions about customizing when you don't want to bleach the hair or you just don't have time to do all that. You don't really know how to do that. So I wanted to give you a video to show you how you can kind of customize your hair even if you don't use bleach. There are certain things that you can do to make it a little bit more seamless. Now personally, I like the bleach method. That is the most seamless way for me. But if you really just don't want to do it, or you know, some companies, their hair does not take bleach well, their hair does not take color well, etc., etc. There could be tons of reasons why you don't want to bleach, but there are some things that you can do on the back end if you don't want to use bleach to kind of, you know, blend it out a little bit better, make it a little bit more natural and seamless. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like to customize without the bleach. For those of you who ask. I also get the question a lot of time, how do you know if the hair is virgin or not virgin, or what does it mean to be virgin hair? What it means is there is a difference between virgin and human hair. You can have human hair and it's not virgin hair. So you can have human hair that has been chemically processed, pressed, curled, altered in some sort of way. It's still human hair, but it's not virgin hair. Virgin hair has not been altered. It hasn't been chemically altered, let me say that. That is the difference between virgin hair and human hair. Human hair does not always necessarily have to mean virgin hair. And virgin hair is the higher quality. The cuticle is intact. It's the higher health. If you keep up with your hair, it'll last you a good couple years if you keep up with it with good maintenance. So if you can find really high quality hair for a nice price, I always say go for it, because you're going to end up spending more than that with the lower quality bundles and wigs and things of that nature, because you're going to have to keep replenishing those. So, you know, it's all about what you want to do. It's all about choices. But this hair, let me tell you something. This hair feels so good. It's so soft. It is really, really soft. It's very fluid. It's really, really light. I can't even tell that there's something on my head other than the fact that I know that there's something on my head because I'm doing the video. But other than that, I wouldn't even know. I will say that the hair is less dense than what I prefer. You know, I like full hair. So for those of you who are looking for something fuller, you would just go up in density. This is their regular density. So it's just a little bit on the thin side for me. But some people really like that look. Some people don't like the big hair or full hair look. So, you know, they have something for everyone, and that's something that I like too. This is the type of wig that is a must-have. You gotta have at least one wig like this in your arsenal. You just have to. This is like the little black dress of wigs. You gotta have it. You guys, if you're not following me on my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Mary Kay Bella, you need to, because there's getting ready to be a really nice giveaway coming up, and that's where it's going to be presented. So Mary Kay Bella, follow me on Instagram, you guys. Mary Kay Bella, follow me on Facebook. I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to be going live. We're going to chit chat, you know, have some one-on-one time, talk about this giveaway. But if you're not following me, you're not going to know that. But of course, all y'all are following me, right? Because y'all my people. So, you know, I guess I'm speaking to the choir, right? I know. Don't do that no more. But follow me. And also, you don't have to pluck your part, you guys, but you might want to do that. You're supposed to see scalp when you part. So you kind of have to develop your own part. And when you're developing a part, like if you just part it in the wig, the hair is like this. It's like touching. So you really don't see any of that color underneath there. All of what we did with the concealer, like all of that, you don't see any of it because the hair is too close together. So you have to put just a little bit of space, even if it's just a little bit. You don't have to do like real dramatic parting. You know how sometimes people be like, you don't have to pluck for 15 minutes. You don't want to do that. Just do a couple of plucks, you know, just to get you through. You know, let's see a little bit of scalp color, complexion, concealer. Just see a little bit of it, okay? So yeah, if you have any questions, you guys let me know. And in the meantime, I wish you all peace, love, and light. Bye-bye.